guys, and welcome back. Today I have probably one of the most expensive subscription boxes I'm gonna be reviewing and unboxing on my channel. It comes in at a whopping $159. It is so pricey. Oh my gosh, I just got a pain in my chest when I said that. I mean, it's a very expensive subscription box. Let me show you it. It is the Brio Box. So this is a quarterly subscription box. So they send out, I think it's every 3 months. So every 3 months you're getting charged $159. Ooh, expensive. But the difference of this box compared to the other ones is that this isn't a makeup box, it is a health, lifestyle, and everyday essentials box is what they claim. And it's also kind of like a gadget box. I've seen a lot of gadgets come out of this box. I've seen quite a few different videos on it, and that's how I kind of found out about it. And I was like, you know what, I want to give Brio Box a shot. It sounds really cool. It looks like it had some cool items in the past. Let's give it a shot. And yeah, this is how it arrives. I just took it out its cardboard box that it arrived in, and it had this nice bag that the box is in. It says Brio Box on there, so let's just go ahead and dive right on into it. Kind of feels luxurious with it having this outer bag for it, because you know when you get a really nice handbag, they usually have this kind of a outer bag to keep it safe. So that's kind of what that reminds me of. Kind of feels a little luxe. And then you got this box on the inside. This is actually a really cute box. I am a fan of boxes. I keep a lot of my really good ones that come in, like all the glossy boxes, I save those. If I get an advent calendar and I have a fun box, I save those. So I love the Tiffany blue of this box. And it looks like I could fit some pretty big items in there. I'm already thinking of things I could store in this. But let me get my scissors out so I can cut this sticker here, because they have sealed it shut. And let's dive on in to this box. You deserve this, yes. Looking in the box here, so we got a pamphlet here. Looks like it's gonna be the items that get inside. I'm not gonna look too much at it yet. That way I don't spoil the surprise. All right, so let's grab the largest item here, which looks like some kind of bag. What is this? Maybe I should have looked at the pamphlet. Okay, I got it unhooked here. It is the outdoor blanket. So it's a water-resistant blanket tote. Okay, that makes more sense. I was like, what is this? You got this underlayment part here that's supposed to be the water-resistant part. Then on the other side, it has the blanket part that you're supposed to be able to sit on. So it's just a black fabric. And then you just tie it back together up over here, and you got a little carrying case with a little pocket so you can put something else in there. Okay, clever idea. Definitely a very practical item. I was not expecting that in this box. Not at all. I was so confused unboxing this. I was like, what? Honestly, I was thinking like, oh, a blanket inside this box, but thinking about it, I never remember to take a blanket with me whenever we go to the park or the beach. I always forget, or we're just going spur of the moment, and I never think like, I need to grab a blanket. So this is actually kind of a clever, practical item to keep in my trunk, just to kind of set in there, forget about it, and just have it specifically for that purpose. But that was our first item, so let's go back for our second here. And next up we got the T8 in-car cradle and charger. Oh, you know what? My husband actually has one of these. Well, not the specific brand, but he has an in-car wireless charger holder thing. Just assembling it here really quickly. Okay. It is put all together, and you got this cable here that you're supposed to run down to your USB port. You have this clip on the back here where you can clip it into an air vent, or you even have this part right here. Let me undo this one. So this one's specific for an air vent, which Brian's only has an air vent clip, and I think it's the most annoying thing ever because it's always like off-centered a little bit with the way his car is. So he actually doesn't use it a lot because it's just really annoyingly placed. So the fact that this one comes with this arm that you can hook up to the window instead is a huge bonus. Because honestly, I saw this little air vent clip and I was like, no. Not at all. But now that I see that it has this little arm that you can suction to the window, I think that makes it a whole lot better, because honestly, I wouldn't have used it if it had that just the air vent clip, because I already know how annoying that is. But yeah, so you have to have a wireless charging phone, one. But then you just plug your phone in like this, it wirelessly charges it, you just have it mounted somewhere. And yeah, that's like a pretty cool tech item. I think I will give this one to Brian, and that way he can get rid of the other one that just has that air vent clip. Let's grab the box one more time, dive back into it. Let's grab this one. Something roll is what it says. Comes in this velvet bag, and here it is. So this is the Mayo, oh man, Reeker roll? I don't know what that says. What is it? That's what I'm asking. It is an ergonomic, portable, handheld, self-massaging device. Oh. Features a curved handle with a roller ball, so that way it can ease tissue by elongating, relaxing the muscle fibers, and enhance blood supply and oxygen flow. You could even put it in the freezer for 10 minutes or in warm water for 10 minutes for warm water therapy. It does actually feel like it is working to massage. I would never have thought of this. I mean, this is a lot of interesting stuff so far. It's nothing that I've been kind of like thinking was gonna be in there. But let's grab, oh, this one I actually recognized out of the box. So I've seen this one at GNC. This is the Key Smart Clean Key. I think they definitely tailored this to the times right now. So this clean key, you're supposed to hook onto your regular like car keys, and then you just flip it up. Hold on, I'm gonna just pull it out the packaging because I'm gonna use this. Here we go. So you hook it on your keys over here, you hook your finger in through here, and then you're supposed to, whenever you need to touch something, you pull this one out. So when you're up at like the ATM or at the keypad at the checkout, you're supposed to use this to type in your little PIN. Like boop, 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 boop. Hit all the buttons without having to touch anything. Use this part right here to hook on a door to open it. And it says it even works on all touch screens. So if you have to touch anything with a screen inside the store, you use this thing, which I think is actually really clever. I mean, definitely right now, I mean, nobody wants to touch anything. I know I don't. I have hand sanitizer in my car, so as soon as I get in the car, I'm just like, so this would be a great way to just have to not touch anything. And I was honestly looking at it in GNC and I was like, that is smart. I mean, I honestly almost debated getting it right then and there. I'm gonna put that on my keychain right away. So that was the fourth item though. Let's see, it looks like we just have two more. So we got 5, 6 items in the box. And for our fifth item, we have the Rhinomed Mute Nasal Dilator. Seems like a very specific kind of product. It's a trial pack with small, medium, and large. Find your ideal fit. It's supposed to be put in the nose to not have you snore. Is that the reason? Yeah, it's for those who snore. It's supposed to open up the nasal passages so that way you don't snore and you can sleep a little bit better. I personally don't snore, neither does Brian. I think my dad snores. He snores actually really loud. I think I'll pass this along to him because I don't have a use for this. Kind of an interesting product though, just to show you guys what it looks like inside in case you are curious though. That is the little mute nasal dilators. Wow. Oh man, and it's just like little hoops that's supposed to keep the nose open. Weird. It's clever though. So if you do snore, it might be something for you. And then our last item here, which is definitely the biggest in terms of like what it is. This is the Ace of Spades mini projector. Ooh. This is actually one that I saw a sneak peek that was gonna be inside of the box, and I got pretty pumped about it. I'm hoping it ends up being as exciting as I thought it was gonna be, because automatically I was thinking I wanted to take this outside, watch some movies, and it'd be a really cute like thing to do. Oh wow, it's actually really small. It's teeny tiny. It can project up to 16-inch screen. Okay, not bad. 30,000 hours of LED lamp life. It is included the projector, the remote control, power adapter, blah, 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 blah. How to use it. You plug in your mini projector with the included power adapter or USB bank, then select the device. Does it work with a phone? I don't know. I may just make a very fast attempt here. 1 second. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna have to try to mess with this another day, But here's kind of it on the wall. Here's kind of how it looks like in the dark. And I mean, if you move it back farther, you get it a little bit bigger. But that's at least the home screen. I'll need to try to play with it to see how I get it to play movies. But I'm definitely gonna be playing around with this one a little bit more to see how it works and how to get it to actually play movies on, because I think this could be a really cute little thing for a date night, you know, just sit outside somewhere, watch a little movie. But that was actually the last one. So let's do it. Quick recap here. So we got our mini projector. I'm gonna try to be so careful with that. We got the key, smart key, clean key, whatever you wanna call it. Car mount phone charger that I can't get back in its box. Rolly massager, the nasal strip thingy, and lastly our blanket. Okay, so that was 6 items here. I do have the prices. Let me add that up as well. That way we can get a better idea. And you know what? Actually, looking at the pamphlet here to compare prices, I see one item that's not in the box that is in this pamphlet. Maybe it was a variation item. You got one, not the other, but it was the Hip Circle by Approach Apparel. I mean, this is my first Brio box. I don't know if they have the other variations listed in here. I will definitely contact Brio Box so that way I can find out if that was supposed to be in here. Actually, if you guys have gotten the Brio Box, the summer version, did yours have this extra item inside of it? Let me know down below because I need to know. Am I missing an item in this box? But for value, just including those 6 items, not this extra one in case it's not supposed to be in there, I get a value of $244 for my box, which we pay $159, so we get an extra $85 in value, which it isn't bad. I mean, I might have just been spoiled by other boxes where the value is like double, sometimes even triple. Like for example, the Cause box that I just reviewed on my channel, that one was $54.95 and I got $260 in value for all the items. And that one's a little bit more lifestyle as well. So, you know, not bad in terms of value, but not the best out there is what I'm trying to say. I know I'm gonna get some people who are like, it's still good, the value's still there. Yes, I'm very well aware of that. I'm just trying to give you guys some comparisons between the other boxes. But that is it for the value portion. My own personal opinion on this box is, honestly, I'm a little bit underwhelmed. I was expecting more out of this box. I've seen some previous unboxing videos where there was some really cool items inside the box that I was like, oh, I need to sign up for the Brio box. It looks so cool. I mean, it's expensive, but it had some really nifty items. And then I got this box here and I just felt like, I don't know. Because for me, the items that stood out to me being kind of like hype worthy, like I was excited about, was the mini projector and this smart clean key. Like these 2 items are the standouts. They're the ones that I was the most excited to get. And alone, this one is 65 bucks. This one's 25 bucks. So, I mean, I could have saved myself quite a little bit of cash and just bought these 2 items. Because I mean, the other items, I mean, they look practical and good, but it's just nothing that had me being like, oh yes, Brio Box coming through with all these amazing items. This is more just kind of like, okay, yeah, it looks good. So I think because of the price, I don't know if this summer box was worth it. Honestly, I don't think it was. I think I will keep Brio Box one more time for the fall box and kind of see how that one goes. And then kind of go from there to see if I cancel or not, because I am on the repeating subscription right now. But I say definitely hold off on the Brio box if you are thinking of signing up. I mean, the summer box I think has already passed. I think it's sold out, so you can't get your hands on it anymore, which is kind of good. But hopefully they send out the fall boxes a little bit earlier so that way I can get my hands on it, maybe review it before it sells out, so that way you guys can see what's in the box. Fingers crossed. I mean, I know they have been selling out like really fast, so I guess we'll see. But yeah, that was the very underwhelming Brio box for the summer 2020. I really hope that you guys enjoyed me unboxing this with you. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.